The 52-inch smart ceiling fan offers a range of control options, including voice commands via Alexa and Google, a mobile app, and a remote control, ensuring maximum convenience and flexibility. Equipped with a quiet DC motor, this ceiling fan operates without any humming or wobbling, making it ideal for bedrooms and other quiet environments. The fan features dimmable and color-changing LED lights with 3 color temperature options, allowing you to customize the lighting to suit any occasion. Designed for both indoor and covered outdoor spaces, this fan is versatile and can be mounted in various settings with its adjustable rods and dual-color blades. This energy-efficient ceiling fan is 75% more efficient than traditional models, helping you save on electricity bills while enjoying its powerful performance. The brand offers excellent after-sales service with a 1-year warranty and round-the-clock customer support to ensure satisfaction with your purchase.